In the world today, modern and effective methods of waste management are increasingly important. The new deep collection system innovated by Molok represents a real alternative to traditional methods of waste management. Today, millions of users around the world are benefiting from our system, from Scandinavia to Australia, from Portugal to Canada. Molok has become a global success story, a real alternative for the future. The idea behind the deep collection system is simple. It's a vertical design with most of the container installed underground. This is the secret to all the superior features of the system. It saves space, it's clean, tidy and hygienic, and it offers a collection capacity second to none. Molok is designed for efficiency and convenience. When new waste is added to the container, the weight of gravity compresses and compacts the old waste underneath. As the oldest waste always remains at the bottom of the container where temperatures are lower, the system is virtually odour-free. This is how Molok makes use of the simple laws of nature, the weight of gravity and the natural coolness of the earth. Molok deep collection containers are designed for decades of tough use in all weather conditions. They are built with first-class materials throughout. Cast in one piece out of polyethylene, the heavy-duty container is a fully leak-proof structure, which means it can be safely used even in environmentally sensitive areas. Installation is easy and simple. All you need is a hole excavated to a depth of 1.5 meters. The container is easy to empty by lifting out the liner bag that is made of a multi-layered, strong textile material. On the outside, there is a wide range of framing materials and colours so that the container always blends in with the landscape. The lightweight cover lid is easy to open and closes tightly. Molok provides a unique product family for solid waste management purposes with the right container size for every need. Containers are available not only for ordinary household waste, but also different types of recyclable waste, such as bio-waste, paper, packaging, glass and scrap metal. Deep collection promotes recycling and is ideally suited to all kinds of collection needs, from city centres to sparsely populated areas, from communal waste collection points to lay-bys and parks. Molok containers are easy to fit together to build up the right kind of collection point for each site. And whatever the type of waste collected, the capacity of Molok containers is always several times greater than that of traditional surface bins. This means less frequent emptying and therefore less frequent visits by emptying trucks in residential areas. Where distances are long, this translates into considerable savings. Our intensive research and development has also produced special models for the collection of bio-waste and waste in park areas. The biosystem container has a separate 50-litre receptacle to collect the liquids drained off from the solid organic waste. The park system container features an opening specially designed for typical waste in parks, but does not allow passers-by to drop in bigger plastic bags full of rubbish.
Tämähän on kätevä.
Eikö sokki?
Molok has long been working closely with research institutes and universities to improve the safety standards of waste management solutions. This has produced impressive results in the form of the safest waste management method available, both for users and disposal contractors. Users of the Molok method do not need to struggle with heavy lids or to breathe in the dust and other impurities that are created in surface containers. Emptying is also safe and easy. All it takes is a truck equipped with a hydraulic lifting arm. In the quick action system, the lid and the liner bag are lifted out of the container frame at the same time. As fees and charges for waste disposal continue to rise, accurate weighing is set to become more and more important. Consumers do not want to pay any more than is absolutely necessary for waste management. An important advantage of the Molok system is that it offers a highly accurate and reliable weighing method. Once the liner bag is over the bed of the truck, its safety mechanism is released, allowing the solid waste to drop neatly onto the bed. The liner bag is then lowered back into the container, and the Molok system is ready to use again. A collection point based upon the deep collection system saves not only space but also costs. The Molok collection point is far more economical than traditional arrangements that involve building separate shelters and enclosures. It also takes up much less space than surface bins. Thanks to their general tidiness and highly effective odour containment, Molok deep collection points can be installed and used even in the most sensitive environments. People who use the deep collection method are significantly more satisfied with their waste management than other people. The results of a major survey showed that up to 85% of the respondents were pleased with the changeover to the Molok system. Recycling, waste sorting, high standards of hygiene and cost efficiency are set to become increasingly important factors in future waste management. The only method that has the answer to all these challenges is the deep collection system. Molok remains at the cutting edge of development in its field. Recently, we have launched a new smart waste collection container that automatically sends out a message when it is filling up and needs to be emptied. This is the first ever high-tech product in deep collection. The Molok deep collection system provides the best possible solution to future waste management needs all over the world.